The next concept we will learn is how to select a text from a particular document. Now, in case we have already studied about cut copy and paste function in the previous chapter. Now we'll understand how to select the text or the paragraph itself. Now, if you want to select a particular paragraph, what you can do, you can keep a cursor over here and you can select it by this way, and you can go down as well, whichever paragraph you want to select or whichever area. In case if you want to operate it through mouse, so what you can do, you can press shift and make a click on the right hand side arrow to the arrow keys. Also you can select a particular text whichever you want to format it. So this is where you can select the text as well. Now in case if I want to select a particular whole paragraph and want to go to the noun word itself, so what you can do, you can drag the cell by the mouse, or else through keyboard what you can do, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus downward arrow. You can see a whole paragraph has been selected automatically, and you can format the paragraph respectively. Now, in case if my cursor is over here, is in the middle of the document, I want to go to the home. I want to see its first lining. So through the home button, you can see that the cursor is moved to the first lining of the document of that line. And if you press the end button, you will see in the cursor has been moved to the end sentence or to the end word of that particular line. Now in case if I'm in the middle of the document and I want to go to the start page, so directly I can use this navigation pane or the scroll bar, or in case I can use Control plus Home, and you'll see that you move back to the original, that is the initial start page of the document. If I want to go to the end page, what you can do, you can press Control plus N and you can go to the end page of the document respectively. Now in case if I want to select a text from the middle of the document, like in case from here itself I want to select a text, okay, and till the lower portion or to the end of the document I want to select the whole text. So what you can do, you can press Control plus Shift and End. You can see that the whole text area has been selected from the particular region to the end area itself. So this is the feature, you can use it through mouse as well as through keyboard itself. Now in case if I want to select the whole text to format, so what I can do, I can simply drag the cell like this through mouse, or there is another option you can do, you can make a triple click on the left hand side by keeping the cursor, and you can see that the whole text is being selected of the document respectively. Now the feature in the keyboard itself is also there. In order to select the whole text of the document, you can press Control plus A. You can see you can format the document as per the requirement which you have by pressing Control plus A and by selecting the whole text of the document. Now if in case I want to select a first paragraph and simultaneously I want to format the fourth paragraph or the fifth paragraph itself, so if I'll drag the cell of the first drag the text of the first cell, and directly if I'll drag the text for the second for the fifth paragraph, you can see that the first paragraph text is unselected. You cannot format the first cell. So for this, what we need to do is, first we need to select the first paragraph or whichever paragraph you want it, press the Control button, then go to the fifth paragraph and select the fifth paragraph respectively. Now pressing the Control button, you can see that both the paragraphs are selected respectively by this case, and you can format them respectively by using cut copy paste function or by using the other functions of the Word. Now we will understand the ribbons of the Home tab. few ribbons of the home tab. Over here, if you'll see that there is a theme font which you can use to format your text. Over here I have using the text as a Times New Roman font. You can use the respective font as well. You can for the different word, for the different text respectively. You can see that there are different fonts are available by the order itself. Like over here you can see the Cambria, Calibri, Algerian, Arial Black, Arial Narrow. These are the different theme fonts which you can use in order to format your particular text or a document properly. Over here you can see that there is a sizes which you can use to make your text more visible. Over here, if I'll select a text and I want to make it bigger, so for to enlarge it, what you can use, you can resize it. You can see as you increase the size, the font visibility itself. Now there is another option which is bold, italic and underline. In order to highlight the some text, what you can use, or to make it more visible, you can make it bold. You can see that this particular paragraph font text has been bolded and the other are not. They are making it more impact. You can use the feature of keyboard as well by pressing Ctrl plus B. You can see the text has been bolded respectively. You can use the other feature as well, that is the italic. You can see the italic feature and make it bold too. In the italic feature you can see the font is being moved as into the cursive handwriting. You can use this feature by pressing Ctrl plus I by making the use of keyboard, or through mouse you can go to the home tab and you can make the use of the italic font. You can underline some particular lining. If I want to underline this particular area or this particular line, so you can make underlining as well by making a click on this particular ribbon, or else what you can do, you can also press Ctrl plus U respectively. So over here you can see that the font is been underlined. So this is a feature which we'll learn, like how to select text and how to format the text respectively by using through keyboard and mouse respectively.